the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, hope everyone are able to see the screen here. Yeah, 10.11.51 is the performance system. Here Anne is entering the credentials, and .52 is the agent machine. So from Anne system local, he is connected to one more remote, and inside a remote, he is going to connect the performance system. It's a remote inside a remote, you can call.
Okay. Yeah. So I have another meeting right now. So please help An Bình remote to install for next step. Chinira. Chinira, Sinranza.
Yeah, tell Anne, Raja, sorry,
Yeah.
Richard.
Okay. I have another meeting right now. So please go
Yeah,
ahead.
please.
Better.
Yeah, please, you can join. And if anything, who can assist Ken will be able to help me out, or anything questions to be asked or addressed by Anne, or if you don't follow,
Yeah.
we can.
I think we can put up in the
to
chat.
my device? Chirazan, have you
Yeah,
connected to my device?
Okay, fine.
I'm done.
Okay, I think it's still loading.
I see. Okay, close.
Okay, fine. So let's just check this machine. I'm Rajesh. I can give you an access also.
Chiranjan, in that URL, can you put that / request quickly before we try anything else?
Okay, fine.
I'm followed every step by you send it before.
Okay, so just not sure.
Not sell license don't change. Only 300.
Okay. Can I do a test connection, Rajesh?
Yes.
I wonder why not possible to active the apply license. A problem happened.
See, on this AB Bank system, right? Once we downloaded, the thing is, and so we may request you to download the .bin file again and do the activation purpose. Because Rajesh, these are some of the script files. I'm just putting you on the screen here, where they followed the document, and TMGS did this particular steps, Rajesh. Yeah, these are the things which they configured. Now, whenever you're doing the bin activation, we just execute this activate command. Like if you're downloading a new .bin file from the FNO portal, we copy that and put this particular script, because host ID is already got. Even if we execute this script, that should not be a matter, I guess. Verbose is what we are verifying here, is what I can see. Let me just. Yeah, it is still the same. If you see the .licensing file, it got loaded just now itself. All the
so
files.
we can clear this.
Okay,
just
we'll
clear this
delete
cache. Yeah.
Okay, so and we'll close Hot UI.
Yeah, let's close.
And do you want to try that verbose script here?
Yeah, let's do that. Before that,
Okay.
go to Task Manager and see if there is anything in the details. Yeah, any Eclipse, Java.
Java update is running.
That's fine. Yeah.
And here I see only the FlexNet services running there. But I am not sure what is this not allowed.
What is that java.exe running? That's for the function discovery. It was stopped actually.
Is that for that one? Because it's a program, it's internal Java.
Okay.
And why this network is, it says UAC, which is not allowed for FlexNet service. Not sure. Fine. Okay. So we'll initialize first.
No, not required. Just clean and verbose. Sorry, not verbose. It should be console. Just cancel this box.
Yeah. When it comes, I'll just cancel it.
You recording yet, Chiranjan?
Yeah, it is in recording mode.
Okay. Kiên ơi,
Em đây
Yes.
ạ.
có chuyên gia nào đang ngồi cạnh em ngon lành tiếng Anh đúng không?
Dạ vâng ạ, đây có bạn Tùng bên em, bạn sẽ hỗ trợ tương tác cùng luôn anh ạ.
Ok. Hai thanh niên này nói khó nghe, vãi trưởng có thanh niên kia nghe còn đỡ đỡ tí. Thanh niên Ấn này nói khó nghe quá.
Vâng, ok anh ạ.
Bảo bạn chú ý nhé, có gì anh hỏi thêm.
Because I think they selected the workspace here. So let the things load and we'll close and open once again. One.
Is that service running? Just check.
Okay. Yeah. FlexNet service is running. It's happen. Just checking it out. It's just P1. Okay. Okay.
Get that -clean -console. Can you go to the console? Not launching the console box. There are two instances. Yeah. Okay. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Going to load static logger. Okay, that's logging. Just go to test connections now. Go to preferences. License. Yeah. The test connection is it.
Yeah, I clicked on it. Yeah, nothing is faded here.
One second. Go back to the preferences again.
Okay.
Type in logging in the search box. The search filter box. Yeah. Logging. No, LOGG. Logging. Yeah. Select this. Go to loggers. Just expand 1 second. Do you see anything in the license? Anything on the license plugin? Solution. License 1 second. Test entry license. Yeah. Click on warning.
All.
Change to fine or finest is fine. Yeah. Apply.
Anything else, or it's fine?
No, that's fine. That's fine. Can you clear the build for this project? If we have anything, let's try running this. Just 1 second. No, it's not logging because you're only doing an UI action. So none of these components are triggered.
Yeah.
Go to Windows preferences again. Preferences. Expand test. Test execution. Yeah, this is fine.
Okay.
Well, you can close this or cancel this mentions.
Shall I click on test connection or do we
Yeah,
need
yeah.
restart?
No, click on. Let's see what does it pick up. You just change the message is what it says. General test execution page preferences. Okay. Yeah, just go back to the preferences again. 300 it says. Okay. Can you run that FlexNet to list out how many licenses are there?
Okay.
No, D:.
Yeah. Yep. This is what it shows.
All features 3306. Okay. That was 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,300.
Yeah, because they have
246.
100 and 1,000 separately. So that's where it's 3,300 and other two are the floating users. So it is 3006 there.
So that's an 100 pack you are saying, right? 100.
Yeah, that's 100 pack and 1000 pack separately. It is separate.
So they have been assigned around 3,300 virtual user license key.
No,
That's
no,
what
no, no. For one you see the financial years. So it is for every financial year. It has been mapped. That's where it shows 3,300, Rajesh. So for every financial year, right, there are 1,000.
No,
This will
that's
not get
expiration.
this is an expiration. So that's where it is showing the total as 3,306 available. So in fact, we can also do one more thing, like update the bin file only to the required number of financial year and do it. That's again what happens. They again will go to the license server and do it. This can be modified. We can do it right now also. Is it something confusing you?
No, what I'm thinking is, since it has an expiration until 2025, so in all the keys should be served within that time, irrespective of whatever the is the set.
No. What happens? The all things are not continuous for 3 years. They given year on year.
So
One
going by that fact, it is 1,100 over here
correct,
for this
exactly. That's right.
financial year.
That's right. That's right.
Mhm.
See what we can do. One thing also, we can modify this in our FNA portal, generate a new bin file, and we can give that one try also here. Generally, what we do is even though if it is generated for all 3 years, right, it will use only that particular financial year license itself.
Yeah.
So
And you added this server ID to the environment variable also?
no, it is not. This is a device ID, right?
Yeah.
So we didn't do. It is not. So let's check the system details here.
Yeah.
So using a Windows Server 19, 16 GB and 2 CPU parameters. See, the computer name is this one, but the fully computer name, because in this system, right, we are calling only up to P1. I don't know whether this is required or not.
That is an FQDN name, the fully qualified name. Can you do one thing? Can you keep this window as is, open the run dialog. Just type drivers in that. RUN. No, just type RUN, run.
Okay.
Yeah. Now within this, type drivers. Enter. Open that etc folder. etc and open that first file in a notepad. Resolution. Just uncomment those do back IP and the other one. Yeah.
Okay.
Does it allow you to save or how's it?
Yeah, I think we can do it out. So
okay, you do one thing now. Copy this fully qualified domain name, whatever you see there. Was that given as part of the
yeah, because that's what I see during Can you get Bin on this call? Ken? Ken, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. So,
Yeah, can you please add Bin to this call?
I'm sorry, who are you looking for?
From TMGS, Buhu.
Right. Let me put in the chat because then I cannot hear you like too well.
Okay.
Cái công ty kia là TMGS ha.
Because Bin who been is one who configured, I believe, this local license server.
Well, I've just been informed that Mr. Wu is not available today because he has some personal matter to attend to. Yeah, so
Okay,
family
okay.
matters. So
Yeah,
he
no
was
problem. Fine.
not in the office
So
today.
the thing is, why we asked him, like, because we knew that Hubin is configured the local license server. We wanted to check what was the fully qualified FQDN. I believe this is the Rajesh. Maybe this is the one as per our documentation. This is the one. It's an FQDN. It is.
No, that's not the FQDN. FQDN comes with the domain name. You have this command prompt. Just open the command prompt. One of these command prompt. With the first one. Yeah.
Okay.
Just type in anything is fine. Just type in host name.
Yeah.
Simply type host name. Yeah. So this is your host name.
Because this is what it has been put up here.
Yeah. Append the domain name or just type in localhost. That should get resolved ideally. Remove that host
Okay,
name.
instead of remove complete even the port.
No, not the port. DHCL-app. Yeah, until P1. Is it establish a connection? Don't go to the console. Just be there in the preferences.
I think it's established. Let me just relaunch the things again. Yeah, it's connection established.
Okay, now change that localhost to this fully qualified domain name once. Copy that from your my computers. The system properties here. Oh, there's a domain name also included there. You have the system properties window open there. Next to the task now. Yeah. Yeah, the north.abbank.com.
Okay.
Just type in that, no, it's just all in caps. North.abbank.com. All in caps. Test connection.
Okay, even establishes with that particular domain also.
Yeah, no, it gets resolved. But the point is, it's not able to pick up those virtual user account. So that's the reason it would obviously throw that
Okay.
error.
Okay. Rajesh, shall we do one thing? We can go to the portal and establish only the virtual user quantity of for that particular financial year itself, and download a bin file and work for it.
I think that makes sense.
Because what we have seen is on a Monday, it was just showing us 200, and when the mapping was done from the back end, it was just added as 100 there. So we had not rebooted the system and deleted the services and all. I was just thinking of is that a feasible option?
I think that makes sense. I mean, we could try that.
Okay, fine. So what we'll do is we'll just ask Anne, can you please log into the license portal and
Okay, I'm done.
okay, you're already there.
Ready.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually what happened from our team also, you also got a temporary licenses which has been mapped to this particular account. I'll just show you. This is the AB temp cloud license server which was served by our sales team yesterday. It's just for 1 month. Okay, we are not going to use right now. This is the cloud license what we have got it. You can keep it for your reference for at least for 1 month. And this is the device ID, Rajesh, which you are using.
The second entry in that, is it?
Yeah, the second entry. Yeah.
Okay.
So what we will do is we'll remove licenses. This is for 2024. I'm reviewing the complete 2024, 2025, and I'm keeping virtual tester for 2023 will be there. Performance tester of 2023 will be there. Studio of 2024 will be removed.
The last one still shows 10. I think you can.
Yeah, that is of
keep it
2023.
Yeah.
Whichever is of 2023, we'll keep it as it is. The rest all would be modified. This is the second 2023, 2023, and last one is of fine. Save. Okay, and we'll do a refresh. Okay, so we'll download the bin file. Let it replay. Is it?
We'll keep that.
Yeah, already we have in our remote system. That's okay. This is the one which got downloaded now. Okay, and can you please transfer this bin file to the remote machine? Are you there?
Anh Tuấn Anh ơi, họ đang nhờ mình chuyển cái file bin mà họ đang chỉ vào trên màn hình ra máy remote anh ạ.
Ok, được rồi, để anh chút.
Dạ vâng.
Take me control, silakan.
Yeah, please take control.
Chào con.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no problem.
Cái gì? Mia im lặng.
Okay. Or something. Pen dot. 10.3.2 16.8. Okay. RT PA, yeah. Copy this file and help me. I'll take control from here. We'll rename it. So when we putting it out at a point of time, '54. Yeah, I'm just replacing it to the one what we downloaded today. Okay. The Windows service profiles, network services, LexNet, HCL, logs. So Rajesh, these are the logs which got generated.
Which is the latest one?
Can everyone hear me?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Did
Just
you
a
want
second,
to
open that? Open that, yeah. Count it
say
shows 1,000, you see?
no, it says unable to handle request 1,000 to insufficient count it is.
The request for features, studio virtual user, 1,000 due to insufficient count.
That's okay. This is onto the previous log files. What I was thinking, like, let's close hot PT. And let's delete these license entries.
Yeah.
Do we need to do a system reboot?
No, not required, I believe.
Not required.
Yeah, because we're not touching anything in the registry
Yeah.
or environment file.
Why? Because I just see this machine has been up from 44 days, looks like. It is not restarted. And when was
How
this
feasible
machine?
is that?
No, there is an uptime, the system uptime. Because whenever we do restart, right?
What do you want?
Do you want? Shall we restart this machine 51? looks like is this machine not rebooted from last 44 days?
You want to reboot?
Yeah, before that, Rajesh, I wanted to delete
Okay, do
some
it.
of the files. Yeah, I'll do it. Rajesh, anything else we'll delete from the systems because we have a control now.
No, I think that should be okay. I mean, you
No need
can
to do that.
get that. I think the one test performance instance is still might have reference to that old bin file. So do you want to get that new bin file in place and then
Yeah, I can
restart your
import it.
system?
Yeah. For before we restart, how do you want to do? Do you want to restart the service?
No, let the service be running, so that's not a problem. Probably we can import the new bin and see that. File name and everything, just check. Yeah.
Okay.
No, this looks okay. Let's restart the system directly.
Okay, we'll reboot the system.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm rebooting the system.
Okay.
Is there anything else before that we can save it and keep it save this file? There are two files on the same desktop. It is okay. Okay.
Christopher, we need about 5 minutes to restart.
Okay, no problem. It takes 5 minutes. It's fine.
About 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
You do it?
Yeah, it is initiated.
Okay. Let me control, okay?
Yeah, you can take control.
You're done.
Okay,
System
okay.
connected. Okay, keep doing it.
Sure, sure, fine. Thank you. Okay. Rajesh, the system is rebooted. Rajesh, you there?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay. All the things have been created. I just did this verbo script to verify the license, but you still see the tool is closed. Okay. We still see this particular is consuming the license.
Can you check if a process is running in the task manager?
Nothing is running.
Any Eclipse or Java w.exe? Go to details. Yeah. Alphabetically, let's see. Eclipse is not there.
Java is there. Because
terminate the Java. Let's see. I think it will be back again. Looks like a system one. Yeah, system one.
so what I'm thinking is like stop and start the service.
Or just restart it. No issues.
Yeah, I'll just.
So ideally, when a system restart happens, it does the same. Launch CMD with runners admin NC.
Because they used to run using this PowerShell earlier. This FlexNet got service started. I don't think so. Do we need to generate host and ID each and every time? Is
No,
I'm
not
not
required.
sure.
The file name is the same, right? There's no change in that.
Yeah, the file name remains the same. The bin file remains the same. Because that's the host ID, right? See, this is what we get it. Okay. As in a normal window, we had not got this exception. Let me just check the authorization of it.
No, I think rather than authorization, it is complaining about the trust certificates.
And just
So
go to my logs is opened here.
yeah. Updated license server is ready. Scroll up slightly. Yeah,
Yeah, that's you can just check it from around 4:08 from this point of time itself.
So that error that you see, I mean, you have that command to create that trusted relationship between
don't
test.
have. That's what BU was one of the other TMGS guy. They say that is not there, but let me just try to run this verbose things.
Verbose thing would actually give you the
fine.
same count.
I think that no. I think that instance is removed. The license which was holding, right? You can see, yeah, now that is removed. Looks like.
Okay, can you launch the tool? Let's see.
Yeah. Console.
No, that's fine. Console is not required now. I mean, unless you are triggering the virtual user. So I can do a Eclipse clean -console. Are you able to hit that URL locally? Does it open? Everything is local, right? There's no internet required again.
Everything is local.
It should give you a JSON response for that. Yeah.
Security auth disabled, security enabled, and all these things. It should be okay.
Yeah, this looks okay.
Okay, not sure why this. Okay. License from server requested
License is
one.
okay. Okay, now you have this verbose. One total of used features is one.
Of the
Can you
workbench is
trigger
not
a
used.
can you trigger or just go to the preferences? Let's see. Just type in license. Yeah.
Just crossed. Perfect.
Yeah. And so it
Maybe
is 7
system
days.
reboot
Yeah.
is
System
what
reboot.
not done from long time. So let's. And you're there?
1100.
Hello, Anne. Let me show the output for them.
Okay, I see.
And you see now 1100 users.
Okay.
Yeah. So one thing what we observed here, we had not rebooted the system from last 44 days. Okay. You just see the system got updated 15 minutes back. Earlier it was 44 days. The system was not rebooted. And one thing what we have done is like from we generated a newly bin file and kept it up. Rajesh, we can do one more thing. We have the older bin file and reload it here again.
Yeah, that should also work.
Okay.
That should also work.
Reset.
Yeah. So yeah,
click on apply and OK for this one. Don't cancel. Click on apply OK, so that at least we have some cache connection information there stored.
Yeah.
You can
So let
close
me just show them for a verification. Just running the load run, and for your confidence.
So all agents and everything are connected.
Yeah, agents are connected, but we are not using anything here. Just a single simple script is what. This is using another different system. There's a P2. There are two agents. P2 is a 52 system.
Okay.
Yeah, I think now all the
See the
stuff.
balance, everything is being seen there.
Yeah,
Virtual user license balance and everything. So it's getting checked out, no issues.
let's just verify them with the verbo script.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just initiated 1000 user run and 1000 users run. If you just go to the window preferences and if you do a test connection, it shows available is 100 or 0. Maybe it is using the full pack itself, right?
Yeah,
Because
it is using the pack now.
It is full pack there.
So here you will not see that during the runtime.
Yeah,
so
that runtime will not be able to see, and you can see 1000 is used from 100 from one of the pack and 900 from another virtual user. I'll just stop the run because there's no point in running it. And you're fine. You're happy with it.
Okay.
One thing is, and we had not, the system was not rebooted is what we did. I'm going to reload the primary file also, but again, I doubt because we need to check whether a new bin file needs to be downloaded or not.
Chiranjan?
Yeah.
So that seems to be okay, right? So the license of the tool is activated.
Yes, it is activated. Yes, it is
Right,
activated for one financial year. If you want to do for next financial year, again, you need to go to the portal as you've seen here. I'll just take you back to the system. Here you see we have mapped only for one financial year. When you go to the actions and if you do a map entitlements, right, you'll be still able to see for another 2 financial years to add the users. Okay, I think the password is expired, or I mean to say.
Yeah. So okay. So that is good for this financial year, right?
Yeah. Good for this financial year. Yes.
Right. That's good. So so it seems the issue lies in the rebooting of the system, right?
Yeah, because we had did many operations. We deleted and cached and all the stuffs were done. The only thing was the system reboot was not done. Okay, so all your files, right? You were using the PowerShell. I just use the command line script to execute only these 3 scripts. These are the 3 scripts. No, there is no anything related to security and all. It's all good. Now, once the test is completed, you can see the license get released. You can see there is no, you can just see the differences during the run and after the run. This is one moment.
I'm sorry. So the verbose script will be
For verification, license usage verification.
That is for license verification, right?
Yeah. I'll just show you the things what we had done. But to execute this particular thing on command line, you need to open the command line as an administrator and follow the respective scripts. If you're using /, this is for PowerShell.
So if we run in command prompt, then we'll need to remove the dot and backward slash.
Exactly.
Okay. Right. So every time we use the tool, we just executed all 3 of these scripts.
Not necessary. Once this is activated, right, you can just use the verbo script for verification of the script. So when you're doing for next financial year, you need to use the about 2 scripts.
Okay.
So
Oh,
the
now
bin
if you
file
want
that is
to
generated has only for this financial year. So probably that should also work for the other financial years when you get the bin configured again.
So, and do you want to do it right now, or do you want to check for next financial year? Because once downloaded, it is also fine. Rajesh, what do you suggest?
So I mean, it depends on them. I mean, if they want us to get this
correct.
configured, well and good.
Hmm.
But again, it would be a rework at later point of
Kiran,
time.
Yes.
so when I LOS install it, need to run the command line. Yeah.
Yeah, run only this
And
verbose
restart
script.
server.
No need to do anything. No need to start and stop the server. It will be there. Why? Because you as a user, until unless this license does not get released, because I have closed the tool now, it takes at least 15 minutes of time for this particular license to get released. Okay. And when you run a web script, it will get released. Or else, in order to do this, we can do a stop and start service.
Như nào nhỉ? Anh không nghe rõ cái này nhỉ? Anh nghe rõ dịch những cái.
Chiranjan, could you
Yes.
repeat the what you just said, please? Because the connection is kind of dropping.
Okay. What I was saying is the verbose script. This is the verbose script. Right now, what we have added is we added for one financial year. Okay. For 2024, December 27. Sorry, December 27, 2023, it is activated. Okay. No need to run these two scripts again. No need to run these scripts again. Here we have closed the tool. The tool is closed. Okay. And if you still see from the verbose, I'm just using up arrow key here, the verbose script. And if you still see your user has been loaded. Why? Because this is a local license server. If it is on a cloud license, it takes 15 minutes of time for the license to get released. Since this is a local license, we need to stop the server and start the server. Okay. Stop the FlexNet service.
I'm sorry. So for the cloud, we will need to drop the Flex server.
Okay, see for cloud, this particular user allies and what it's saying, right? It is still in use what it's saying here for us.
Okay. Anh Tuấn Anh ơi, họ đang bảo là cái comment verbose này ấy, là để check cái license với cả activation của tool thôi, và check cái cái virtual user mà của cái tool này ạ. Đấy thì cái tool này nó sẽ được active trong 1 năm tài chính, nghĩa là chắc là đến tầm khoảng cuối năm nay. Thì đấy, xong rồi họ bảo là khi mà với comment prompt thì chỉ không cần phải chạy hai cái comment đầu tiên nữa, chỉ cần chạy cái verbose thôi. Và họ cũng nói thêm luôn là khi mà chạy comment prompt ấy thì phải bỏ cái chấm và suộc về đi, bởi vì cái chấm và suộc về đấy là để cho PowerShell.
Tức là khi mà mình add cái license đấy vào, mình có sai cái lệnh này đúng không?
Vâng, để em check lại hỏi. Chiranjan?
Yes.
So when we supposedly when we activate for when we get a new license for the next fiscal year, for the next financial year, we'll be using the first two script to add that license into the tool, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, the first two command will be used to add the license into the tool, and the last command will be for checking
The license usage.
the license usage and the activation of the tool, right?
Correct.
Right, okay. Yeah, vâng, đúng rồi anh Tuấn Anh. Hai cái comment đầu tiên thì sẽ là mình add cái license của nó vào, và cái cuối sẽ là mình check cái license, mình check cái activation status của cái tool đấy.
Ok. Em bảo chia ra nó sửa luôn đi là một này. Với cả sau mỗi một năm tài chính là mình phải chạy lại cái lệnh này đúng không?
Dạ vâng.
Với một cái in mới đúng không?
Vâng, cái tool này thì nó sẽ mỗi license này nó sẽ nằm thuộc một năm tài chính ạ. Anh có thể nhắc lại câu đầu đó, bởi vì em không nghe được đoạn đầu, em nghe được mỗi cái đoạn năm tài chính.
Thì tức là nó sửa cái lỗi này trên cái file vừa rồi chưa? Cái file này sẽ lưu để trên màn hình luôn.
Cái file bin mà mình vừa
File node ấy, file notepad ấy.
Vậy thì em sẽ bảo nó lưu trên màn hình cho mình luôn nhé anh nhé. Chiranjan?
Yes.
For the notepad, that includes the script. Could you save it on the machine as well? Yeah, this.
Yeah, this is already stored in the desktop.
Okay, yeah. Vâng, cái file đấy nó lưu trên desktop luôn rồi anh Tuấn Anh ạ.
Chiranjan.
Yes.
I want your help. Rewriting a step-by-step installation procedure for LAS license.
Okay. What you do is you just give me these two file entries. I'm just closing it so that I'll give you a document for you. I'll make a document for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
So what we wanted to see is this particular outcome, and we were able to run for 1000 also. I showed you it. I showed you the output also. So why one moment, even I'll just closing the tool. And here also, when you do the license verification, this client and an LT is the user who was using the tool, what it says. So in order to make another user, like if you have another one test performance system, right, there you need to give this particular machine host name. So that particular user will be able to work on the tool, because you are entitled to work on two one test performance user workbench license. When I say workbench, this is the workbench. When we just open the tool right now, right, that is a workbench from where we verified the tool. And at any given point of time, all the users will be able to work on the licenses. I mean to say max two parallel users, one user will be able to work for 500 user, another will be able to work for 600 users, kind of it. Okay.
I'm
So,
just
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, thanks.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah, thanks.
Chiranjan, I have a
Yes.
question. If I change the access account, will it affect the copyright and the system?
Okay, I think there was an echo.
What Mr. Ang was asking is that if he changed the login account, would that affect the license and the registration of the tool as well?
Okay, if you have installed the tool as an administrator, if the person who has used this tool as an administrator under the particular user profile, who are all using, like maybe an LT or maybe some other user, maybe Ken, you have a user, right? You'll be able to work on the tool. At that point of time, on one single machine, on 51 machine, only one user should be working, because this tool is not shared. If another user want to work on the tool, say example 52 is an another one test performance machine, and LT can be working and Ken can be working on this machine, where the license will be served only for two users. See here, it's only for two users. AB Bank has purchased one test performance license, workbench license for two users for 3 years. Right now we activated for 1 financial year. Is it clear? Yes, you can create another user profile, and that user also will be able to work on the tool.
Only two user.
AB Bank has purchased 2 user license. That's the reason. Okay. I still you
Okay,
don't.
understand.
Okay, see here, this is the workbench license, what I'm telling. When you open the tool, right, the user will consume the license. This is the license what I was referring to. When you open one test performance tool, that user will be working right now. An LT has logged into the system. That's where it is showing. Until unless an LT shutdowns or reboots, this license doesn't go.
Em hỏi giúp anh với là với cái user này là mỗi một truy cập user mới sẽ tính một user, hay là cái user anh.lt của anh là nó ăn luôn thành một user rồi không thay đổi được?
Well, okay. Chiranjan?
Yes.
So if there was another user that is operating on this machine that is not ANLT, but 2 other users, when ANLT is shut down, were they able to use the tool, or the ANLT is like attached to this tool already, and only one extra user beside ANLT can use the tool?
Okay, right now, an LT has logged into the machine, right? As a user profile, he has opened the tool. He has launched the tool. Parallelly, another user cannot launch the tool from the same machine. Cannot launch the tool from the same machine. He needs to have a different system. Where, okay, so an LT has shut down. Assume an LT has logged out from the system, and another user can log in and work on the tool. No 2 parallel users can access the one test performance tool parallelly on the same machine. No 2 user profiles. I'm just typing in the chat box.
Okay. Anh Tuấn Anh ơi, nghĩa là bên họ bảo là bởi vì cái user anh LT này đang login vào cái máy này, thế nên là chỉ nghĩa là mỗi máy khi mà chạy tool ấy chỉ được một user dùng tool này trên một máy thôi, chứ không phải là 2 user dùng song song trên một máy này. Đấy, thế nghĩa là từng user sẽ dùng cái tool này trên máy này one at a time, nghĩa là mỗi một lần, nghĩa là mỗi lần một người dùng, chứ không phải là 2 người dùng song song trên một cái machine này mà rồi chạy được cả cái tool này.
Tức là ở một thời điểm chỉ một người sử dụng tool chạy thôi đúng không?
Dạ vâng, đúng, ở một thời điểm chỉ một người sử dụng tool.
Thế mà tài khoản nào truy cập cũng vào cũng được hết đúng không?
Vâng, để cái này để em
clear
vâng, để em clear lại với ông này. Chiranjan?
Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be the ANLT user, right? So
it is not necessary an LT should be there. It can be any other user.
Okay. Vâng, thế tức là họ bảo là tài khoản nào khi mà login vào cũng được, nhưng mà miễn là chỉ trên một thời điểm chỉ một user dùng cái này thôi, chứ cái tài khoản ANLT nó không bị đóng cứng vào cái tool này đâu anh. Tại vì nó hiện lên cái anh LT này là bởi vì là mình đang dùng tài khoản anh LT để login vào cái máy này ạ.
Ok, anh hiểu rồi. Thế hai cái em giải thích lại quanh cái 2 cái user đấy tương là như thế nào nhỉ? iLicense của An Bình có 2 user.
Vâng, đúng ạ. Bởi vì An Bình là đã mua cái tool này với cái license là cho 2 user. Thế nên là nó sẽ có được dùng cho 2 user, nhưng mà mỗi thời điểm dùng chỉ được dùng một user trên một máy thôi. Đấy, còn nếu mà người dùng khác mà cũng muốn sử dụng tool đấy, nhưng mà sẽ phải là trên một máy khác chứ không phải là trên cùng máy này. Đấy.
Anh hiểu, ý ở đây là trên 2 user này thì tức là anh có thể sử dụng được 2 hệ thống đúng không? 2 hệ thống độc lập sử dụng cùng một cái tool này, cùng một cái license này trên 2 máy, đúng không?
Cái này vâng, để em
em hỏi lại đi. Còn tất nhiên là mỗi một phiên thì một user thôi chứ làm sao?
Vâng, đúng ạ. Chiranjan?
Yeah.
So Yes, for each session, there will be only one user, but I was wondering if anh LT log into this one machine like 55 and work on the tool, will they be able to log in another user on a different machine, but run on the same tool on the same license?
Yes.
Right, okay. Vâng, được ạ. Nghĩa là sẽ một người khác sẽ login vào máy khác và sử dụng cùng tool này với license này được ạ.
Ok, anh hiểu rồi.
I just gave my comment in the chat box, stating that if two users wants to work on the tool, then they need to be having two different one test performance system, and they can work on the tool parallelly. Is that clear?
I'm clear.
Okay, that's great. And what are your profile? Are you a tester or what is your job role in AB Bank?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the question, please?
No,
Because
I asked Ann LT, what is his job profile? Is he a tester? Is he a testing team? Is Ann working on testing?
Bên họ đang hỏi mình là cái role của cái user anh LT này thì có phải là ở trong testing team không anh?
Là như nào nhỉ? Testing team là sao?
Chiranjan?
Yes.
What do you mean by testing team? Like, so
Okay,
you're
okay. I'm asking, is Ann working on one test performance tool? Is going to work on one test performance tool? Is he going to work?
So you would like to know if Mr. Ang is going to use the tool, right?
Correct. That's right.
Right. Sorry for the confusion. Vâng. Bên họ muốn hỏi là anh Tuấn Anh sẽ là người dùng cái tool này hay là mình sẽ dùng người khác nhưng mà vào tài khoản anh LT này?
Nhiều người chứ. Dùng nhiều tài khoản của họ. Bọn anh sẽ có hệ thống nó gọi là hệ thống quản lý tài khoản tập trung Cyber Ab. Anh sẽ đưa lên trên đó và sẽ dùng tài khoản, nó một tài khoản định danh nhưng không ai biết. Ý là tưởng tượng chỉ có thể nhiều người vào nhưng mà chỉ một phiên một người và chỉ một người dùng thôi, nhưng mà tài khoản nó định danh như thế này.
Nhưng mà người dùng đấy vào thì họ sẽ sử dụng tài khoản của riêng họ đúng không anh?
Họ log vào hệ thống bằng tài khoản riêng họ, nhưng để vào con server này thì là bằng một tài khoản cố định giống như anh LT này, nhưng mà nó không định danh.
Vâng.
Nói chung là anh hiểu rồi, anh hiểu vấn đề này, không vấn đề gì cái việc ấy đâu. Còn kể cả anh không đưa lên hệ thống Cyber Hack đấy thì anh cấp quyền thì ai vào thì vào cũng được, chả vấn đề gì cả. Cấp quyền cho server này thôi, xong rồi họ vào họ chạy thôi, có gì đâu, đúng không?
Dạ vâng.
Thì em nhờ Chirazan một việc, anh đã nhờ Chirazan rồi, nên nhắc lại bạn ý nhé. Anh nhờ hai việc, một là bạn ý document cho anh luôn cái phần mà cài đặt cái license iOS này step by step luôn.
Vâng.
Việc thứ hai nữa là anh muốn nhờ bạn ý là trước bạn ý test cái bạn hướng dẫn bạn đào tạo cái việc test một cái ứng dụng của bên anh rồi ấy. Anh cũng muốn là nhờ bạn ý step by step ra cái cách test đấy cho anh, từng các bước khởi tạo, cái bước chạy, xong rồi gửi lại cho toàn bộ các tài liệu ấy cho theo cái luồng mail mà mình đã trao đổi. Em nói bạn giúp anh cái nhé.
Anh còn nhớ cái tool mà bạn ấy đào tạo tên là gì không ạ? Thì
cái tool này.
Vâng, ok. Để em bảo. Chiranjan?
Yes.
So yes, Mr. Anh might be logged into to use the tool, but this tool, but other team member might use the tool as well. So it's not just him.
No problem.
Also, Mr. Anh asked me to ask you to just document all the steps to install the tool, step by step. Of installing and activating the tool and send it back to him. And also, could you send him the documents when you were training Ab Bank personnel on this one test performance tool as well? So all the documents of the installation of how to use and how to activate and everything. Could you send him all of those documents?
Okay.
Within the mail loop that
So for that, I would have been it would have been very helpful if Mr. Bin Hu from AB, sorry, from TMGS would have been joined today, because he has configured this local license server, right? I'm not sure how. Definitely, there is a particular document would have been followed. It is a straightforward document. Definitely would have followed. So for me to make a document, right, and I am just created one folder and here as 17 share files. What you need to do is you need to just share me these files with me. So this document will help me to create a document for you. These files. Please share this 17 share files with me. I will create a document for you and you can refer for it.
Anh Tuấn Anh ơi, họ đang nhờ mình share cái file 17 phép share file này với họ, thì để họ chuẩn bị cái document luôn anh ạ. Thì để họ share qua đấy.
Ok. Bảo bạn đây là một lúc nữa anh sẽ gửi cho bạn lần sau nhá.
Dạ vâng. Họ cũng muốn bên mình liên lạc với cả anh Bình ạ, anh Bình của bên đấy. Đấy thì để mà không cho vào lúc mail, để bởi vì anh ấy là người config cái tool này ở đấy. Họ bảo là anh Bình là người config cái tool này ạ, thì có
vấn
gì
đề là
giúp anh ấy để cho thêm thông tin ạ.
Vấn đề là bảo với Kiên kiểm tra lại cái mail của Bình ấy.
Dạ
mail
vâng.
Bình lỗi gửi có được đâu.
Dạ vâng, vâng.
Dạ vâng ạ. Vâng, em sẽ kiểm tra luôn lại cái mail luôn này ạ.
Ok. Thế mọi việc ổn rồi đúng không?
Dạ vâng, thế để em bảo với bạn bên hãng là một lúc nữa thì bên mình sẽ gửi cho bạn ấy cái share cho mình, share cho bạn ấy cái file, cái folder kia. Chiranjan?
Yes.
Yeah. In a couple of, in a few hours later, Mr. Anh will share you the 17 February share file, so you can update the documents and stuff on that. Would that be okay?
Yeah. Yeah, that would be fine with me. Yeah.
Right. That's cool. That's cool. That's good. Yeah.
Okay. So fine. I think that we can end this particular meeting today.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you. It was good that LLS has been configured, and I've been able to show you that we are able to run for 1,000 users also.
Okay, Chiranjan, you could. Thank you.
Thank you.
And support him.
Yeah. Anyways, always we are.
Thank you, Chiraza.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Em chào anh Tuấn Anh nhá.
Chào anh em, cảm ơn anh em nhé.